What's the meaning of Brave New World? Brave New World. Brave New World.
Brave New World. Brave New World. Brave New World is a phrase originating from the title of Aldous Huxley's novel published in 1932. The novel depicts a dystopian society where advances in technology and science have led to a highly controlled and conformist world with no individuality or free will. People are genetically engineered and conditioned from birth to fulfill predetermined roles and be content with their station in life. The result is a stable but oppressive society where people willingly give up their freedoms and live shallow and meaningless lives. Brave New World has become a popular metaphor for any society that sacrifices individuality and freedom for stability and safety.